As we left you, our school bully was about to chug his drink box. Alas, he never saw where went his straw and thus made a mess of his vest. It was then that he spotted Kool-Aid Cooler's new, better box. Easier and neater with an attached straw you just can't lose. Not having it did not sit well with a have-not.
The receiver of this broadcast, listen with great attention. A new entity, only discovered about 2 months ago, has escaped from the E.R.O facility at 2:31 a.m. this morning. It is of unknown origin and there is currently little info we have of it. As of now, it is rapidly approaching a certain area and you are within that area. We are afraid that from our lack of knowledge, we cannot help you. Yet, there is still chance for survival. We ask of you to lock your doors and windows, close all blinds, shut off all of your lights and hide inside the room which is least findable inside of your home. May God have mercy on your soul.